Hi kindergarten friends, are you ready to start this lesson? I am, so let's get our brains and hearts ready to learn. Let's warm it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up that brain so we're ready to add and count. Here we go. Warm up that heart. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up that heart so you love this lesson. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now warm up those eyes for looking at all those numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up those ears so that we are ready to learn and listening to all the important information. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up those lips so that we're ready to add. Okay, are you ready? Let's first start with a review. To review, let's see how fast we can add. Let's go. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 0 equals 0. You did it. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Great job. Keep adding. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Awesome. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Keep it up. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Woohoo! 1 plus 3 equals 4. Great job. 1 plus 1 equals 2. You did it. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Awesome job. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Keep it up. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Woohoo! Great adding. Now that we have reviewed, let's go over our success criteria for today. Today, our success criteria, what we need our brains to focus on, is I can represent problems involving making 10 by using objects or drawings. Let's say it together. I can represent problems involving making 10 by using objects or drawings. Okay. Are you ready to practice? Let's go. All right, friends, to practice our success criteria, I can represent problems involving making 10 by using objects or drawings. You're going to need 10 counters. I'm using snap cubes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play a fun game called the Bend and Snap to find all these different ways to make 10. So put your counters in a row. Mine are in a nice cube train, and what you're going to do is you're going to bend them apart and then snap them. Okay, so I bend and snap, and I'm going to use my two groups to see how you make 10. So here's one group. Here's another group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is going to equal 10. Now I'm going to show you something really cool. Now if I were to switch my two groups, I still have 10. Let's make our circle map. Let's first sing our circle map song. Do you know a circle map, a circle map, a circle map? Do you know a circle map that helps us do brainstorm? Okay, now let's fill in the middle circle of our circle map. Let's fill in making 10 because we're finding all the different ways to make 10. All right, the first two ways were 6 plus 4 and 4 plus 6. All right, well, I put my cubes back in my cube train, and let's do it again. Bend and snap. Okay, so here are my two groups. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now remember, we can switch the groups around and we still have 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's add those equations to our circle map. All right, let's keep practicing. I put my cubes back in the cube train. Let's bend and snap. Here are my two groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now if I switch them around, those numbers are the same. So it's still 5 plus 5. Let's add that equation to our circle map. Okay, now it's your turn. Find more ways to make 10. You're right, 10 plus 0 and 0 plus 10 are another way to make 10. Great job! You can also make 10 by 8 plus 2 and 2 plus 8. Awesome job finding ways to make 10. Now that we have mastered our success criteria and are really great at making 10, I think we should celebrate. Let's celebrate with the wow cheer. So I need you to put up W with both hands and then say, wow. I love learning with you today, friends. Bye.